So how are twins formed? We have two types of twins: identical twins that are genetically identical, and fraternal twins who are more like siblings. With identical twins, you start with a single egg and a single sperm. Once fertilization is complete, a zygote is formed. This diploid zygote then goes on to divide. After the first cleavage division, the cells, instead of remaining together, they separate. And each separated cell then becomes its own embryo, which is how we get two identical offspring. With the fraternal twins, we start with two eggs. The woman produces two eggs during ovulation, and therefore two different sperm fertilize these two eggs, and we get two zygotes. And these zygotes are quite different from each other, like two different siblings, and we end up with two non-identical offspring.